Welcome back to Joy Art for Kids. Today, we're going to draw and color a super happy house. First, let's draw a big rectangle for the house. Let's draw a door and a window so people can come in and look outside. Now let's add a triangle on top. That's the roof. And we can't forget the chimney on the roof. Let's add a big tree next to the house. Draw the trunk like the letter Y and add a fluffy top like a big cloud. Now let's draw some clouds floating in the sky. Puff, puff, puff. And up in the corner, let's draw a bright sun to shine on our house. Just a circle and some little lines all around. Time to color. Yay! Let's start with the roof. I'll use red, but you can choose any color you like. The house can be yellow to make it nice and sunny. The door is brown and the window is light blue, like glass. Let's color the stone chimney with light gray. Let's color the tree now, green leaves and a brown trunk. Let's use dark green for the 2 bushes in front of the house. The clouds can stay white, or you can add a tiny bit of blue. And the sun, let's make it bright yellow and full of sunshine. Wow! We did it! Look at our colorful, happy house. Thanks for drawing and coloring with me today. If you had fun, don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe, and share your beautiful art with your family. See you next time on Joy Art for Kids. Bye bye.